Do you often feel guilty when someone asks you for a favor and you're unable to do it? Do you have a hard time saying no to your boss when they pile up you with a load of work? Do you often believe that your relationship would get ruined if you say no to them? If you relate to these questions, chances are you have a hard time setting boundaries, and very often it often makes you feel burdened, insecure, and carry an extra load of stress that you're not actually bound to carry. Hi, my name is Shivam and I'm the author of two self-help books, How to Unleash Your True Potential and Finding the Magic in You, and I'm a certified emotional intelligence life coach. And in this video, I'm going to help you master the art of saying no. And why do you have a hard time saying no to people? So before we master the art of saying no, we must first understand why we have a hard time saying no. Because understanding the why is very much important to actually work on finding out the hows. And hence, like all my videos, I'll be first focusing on why we have a hard time saying no, and then focus on how we can establish the art of saying no to people. The first reason as to why you have a hard time saying no to people is because you don't want to disappoint others. And this is something that comes because you believe that you always have to be perfect. You always have to have a very perfect background in order to please others. So you always believe that if I make a small mistake, I might not be loved, I might not be appreciated, and hence you try way too hard to be perfect in front of others, and that actually pushes you towards saying yes all the times. And hence it's very much important for you to understand that everyone is imperfect in this world. No one can be perfect, and if you try too hard to be perfect, you would be just putting up an extra load on yourself, and that load would actually pull you down. And that is why it is very much important to say no to people at times, so that you can actually focus on what you really want in life as well. The second reason as to why you have a hard time saying no to people is that you often believe that your relationships will get destroyed if you say no. Now this comes from a low self-worth issues. So when you have a low self-worth, when you think low of yourself, you often believe that you have to be the giver in a relationship in order to make this move forward. So you often believe that I always have to do this and do that and do these certain amount of things in order to make sure the relationship always moves forward. The third reason is that you often prefer making others happy over your own happiness. And if you're this kind of person, you would always end up saying yourself that I can compromise, but I should not make anyone else unhappy. So in these cases, you're basically trying to avoid an argument, you're basically trying to avoid a fight, and in that particular case, you always end up saying yes to them, saying yes to everything that they often tell you. So this is very much important for you to understand that you're saying yes only because of this fear of conflict, that fear of anger, that fear of any indifferences. The fourth reason is that you want to be seen as worthy, and again this thing comes and stems from a low self-worth issue. Because when you have a low self-worth, when you think low of yourself, you would often believe and you would always want to do things so that you can achieve that amount of worth to feel good about yourself. So this thing often pushes you towards saying yes to everything that people say for. The fifth reason as to why we have a hard time saying no is because we don't realize how far it can go. And I think this is a very common mistake that we all make. Because sometimes because of an emotional impulse, we often end up saying yes to people. We often end up saying yes to everything that we come across. So this is again one of the very common mistakes. Now these are some of the reasons why we have a hard time saying no to people. And understanding that is the first step towards working on saying no to people. So these are some of the very important tips that can help you say no to people in a much easier, in a much practical manner. The first tip is to keep your response simple. If you want to say no, be firm and be direct. Use phrases such as, thanks for coming to me, but I'm afraid it's not the right time for me right now. And I'm sorry I cannot help you this time. And try to be strong in your body language as well. Because when you do that, you would automatically feel much more confident about saying no to that person, and you would automatically feel good about yourself as well. So this thing would always push you towards saying no without any shame or without any guilt. The second tip is that try to separate refusal from rejection. And very often what happens with us is we often believe that saying no to a person might actually make them believe that we are rejecting that particular person. But that's not truly the case. We are just refusing a particular case. We are not rejecting the entire person. And hence it's very much important for you to understand that you're not rejecting that person, you're basically refusing a particular act, you're basically refusing a particular thought, and that doesn't make you a wrong person. So you're not ruining a relationship after all. The third tip is that don't feel guilty for saying no, because very often we end up believing that if we end up saying no to someone, we are basically rejecting them, we are basically saying no to their entire personality, but that's not truly the case. Understanding that you're not doing them any wrong is the first step towards saying no with much more confidence, with much more ease. And hence it's very much important to separate that amount of guilt, separate that amount of shame from saying no to that particular person. The fourth tip would be to value your time. I think it's a very much important part as well, because you must actually know your commitments, and you must also know how valuable your precious time is. Then when someone asks you to dedicate some of your time to a new commitment, you will know that you cannot simply do it. And you can always tell them that I cannot just do this right now because my plate is overloaded and I cannot focus on all the things at just one time. So this thing would always save you the misery of saying no to people. So I believe these 4 points would help you say no to people in a much easier, in a much convenient manner, and doing that would help you become much more confident and much more appreciable person as well. So this is all about the video, and I hope you like this video, and if you do like, comment and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.